To insert SIM card in Oppo A6 Pro 5G, first of all we'll need to grab our device. Then next step is to find the SIM slot, which is located right here. Then grab a SIM ejection tool, which should be included with the package with this device, and then stick it in the gap right here and then push on it. Make sure not to touch this gap, as this is the microphone or a speaker port, so it may be damaged if you put your SIM ejection tool there. Now when we have our SIM tray, we can grab the SIM card. In this case it's nano SIM, and we can align it so that this cut corner goes into the cut corner on the slot. So it should go on like this. And then we just need to push it into the slot so it sits nicely like so. Now if we grab it and put it back, we've just properly inserted our SIM card. In a moment I will either see the SIM password or not, because I think this SIM card doesn't have the SIM pin. And that is basically everything. Thanks so much for watching, and if you like this video, please consider subscribing.